Aggressive, kind of got out of our defense in the sense of not really being aggressive, not denying passes, not getting passing lanes. Just kind of let them score. They got some good guys over there that can really score. JJ probably one of the best at moving without the ball. They can really shoot if you get a good look. So those guys was really playing well. So we had to really pick it up.
I feel like you took their best punch for 3 quarters, but this team asserted itself in the fourth.
Yeah, we definitely took their best punch. They had the first 3 quarters. No offense to this team, that's a good team. They're missing 2 of their key guys. They're coming off losing Dwight. They're going through a lot right now. They got a great coach over there, so they're going to be okay. They get Jameer back, Turkoglu, whenever his finger, whatever it is, so he gets better. They're going to be okay.
Did you feel like you had to get the offense going with what you did looking for your shot?
Yeah, I had to be a little aggressive tonight. It comes like that sometimes. I took 23 shots. That's very rare. I'm not really a point guard that shoots a lot of shots like that. Tonight they was going under the screens, so the shot was there. I had to be a little bit more aggressive tonight. So you got to do what you got to do sometimes.
Ray, 5-0. Is that set in yet? 5-0?
It's set in, but can't be complacent. You gotta. We had 2 tough games and we had to fight out. So everything is not going to be perfect. We're not going to play the way we play against Philly each and every night, with Miami each and every night. We're not going to just blow teams out. We got to come out. We got to grind games out. That's what we had to do tonight.
Talk about Melo's performance the last couple of games. Seems like he's raised it to even another level.
Melo's playing great. He's in great shape. He's been focused since the summertime. Even when he came in with us, playing in pickup, was in early in 3 weeks, working out every day. Everybody's just focused. Everybody know we got a good enough team to do something amazing here. So everybody's got the same common goal. Everybody's focused. Everybody's working hard every day. And we as one. We playing as one.
Hard not to